A lot of users and major tech companies are interested in the metaverse. As a result, we understand that the Web 2 internet age is coming to an end, and the rise of a new era is looming, the metaverse. Now is the perfect time to dig deep into this emerging field and learn how to build your metaverse because the metaverse and Web 3 realm are just around the corner. Will the public be drawn to your virtual landscape? Who knows what each of us will face in the future. But one thing is for sure, the bold are rewarded. As a result, we strongly advise anyone who wants to work as a blockchain developer to watch this video carefully while we show you how to build your metaverse. Before we begin, welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. As you might expect, creating a metaverse is a difficult task. However, it is much simpler than you may think. With the right Web3 tech stack and your JavaScript or Unity skills, you can create your metaverse. Furthermore, with the best Web3 SDK, you can concentrate on the front end, while the Firebase for crypto platform handles the back end. You'll also save a lot of time and resources if you use the best Web3 backend platform. You can easily cover Web3 functionality by copying and pasting short code snippets from various online platforms. So what is the metaverse? We first need to go over the fundamentals before we can show you how to make your metaverse. What exactly is the metaverse then? The metaverse can be broadly defined as a virtual universe that people can access through technology. Yes, the most sophisticated metaverse would allow for total immersion, including at least some of the five senses. But the technology is not yet developed enough for us to have that level of immersion. Currently, the term metaverse is primarily used to refer to various online projects that run on top of blockchain technology. The latter introduces the highly desired decentralization component. As a result, it has the potential to make digital platforms resistant to censorship. It also allows users to have true ownership of virtual assets, which they can freely trade. Furthermore, blockchain-based metaverses include digital currency, cryptocurrencies, which have its appeal. That being said, almost all Web3 games are considered Web3 metaverses in some way. The same is true for platforms that use NFTs and allow users to interact socially on-chain. As a result, not all metaverses are three-dimensional. How to build in the metaverse, a beginner's guide. Since the metaverse is still in its early stages of development, many of you are interested in learning how to create your creations. After doing some research, we've put together the beginner's guide for you. There are 3 easy steps to get started when building in the metaverse. Choose a metaverse platform that best meets your building needs, decide what you want to build, and then get to work on it. You can start creating something amazing right now if you know which metaverse platform best meets your needs and what you'll need to build in the metaverse. 1 is decide what you want to build. Deciding what you want to create is the first step. You can create an infinite number of assets in the metaverse, just like in the real world. The metaverse gives you the ability to create anything from games to virtual goods to buildings from the comfort of your computer. Scenes and wearables are the 2 main categories of builders you will encounter in the metaverse. Architectural structures and landscapes are referred to as scenes, while wearables are digitalized goods and other assets that don't quite fit into the architectural category. Some metaverse platforms might be more appropriate for you, depending on what you want to build and your level of expertise. In some metaverses, you may also need to pay a fee to submit your works for consideration for use in that metaverse. These are a few of the key elements to take into account when choosing the metaverse that will best serve your objectives. 2 is choose a metaverse platform. After giving your project some thought, you'll need to identify the platform that best supports your artistic requirements. Let's go over some of the most well-known metaverse platforms that are currently accessible. There are many that you can use to begin building. Decentraland. One of the most widely used platforms in the metaverse right now is Decentraland. Even virtual events have been held in Decentraland for companies like Estee Lauder, Dolce & Gabbana, and Forever 21. The ability to design your structures and wearables comes along with this popularity. Make sure you have a MetaMask wallet and Mana, Decentraland's native currency, to fully enjoy the building experience there. But you can build a structure without either if you're just having fun. Cryptovoxels. Cryptovoxels is a virtual world inspired by Minecraft that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Users in this metaverse can purchase virtual land, build stores on it, create avatars, and fill their art galleries with NFTs. For people who do not have a plot land in Cryptovoxels, the Cryptovoxel metaverse has a unique feature called free space. That way you can still experiment and build with Cryptovoxels. Technically, these free spaces are not part of the Cryptovoxels world, but you can build voxel scenes and/or import voxel work from voxel art editors there. The best way to build your structures in Cryptovoxels is to own your land. You can purchase your parcels from the Cryptovoxels website. Cryptovoxels makes use of Voxel Builder, an in-world building program that allows you to easily create and edit 3D voxel graphics in your browser. The program is simple to use and allows virtual landowners in the game to construct structures and NFTs. Somium Space. Another well-liked metaverse with lots of potential for creators eager to create in the metaverse is Somium Space. It's important to keep in mind that you can only construct in Somium Space if you own land. Building in Somium Space is incredibly easy and doesn't require any programming knowledge, aside from the requirement that you own land. To use the drag-and-drop editor tool in Somium Space, you must first download Steam. The drag-and-drop tool can also be used in test mode. To do this, just choose PC Client when you first access the builder. The Somium Space Builder's simple-to-use video and audio options, which give any scene a unique experience, set it apart from other metaverses. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is an Ethereum-based gaming metaverse that allows users to own every asset they create in the game. This game allows non-technologists to create, use, and sell their virtual reality NFTs. By automatically converting every in-game asset to an NFT, the Sandbox allows you to own everything you create in the game. Users can sell anything created in the Sandbox by converting it to an NFT and exporting it to the marketplace. In exchange for Sand tokens, the Sandbox native currency, the seller uploads the NFT to the marketplace and defines its rarity and importance. In the Sandbox game, there are numerous opportunities for creators to earn a substantial income. 3 is to start creating. It's time to start creating once you've decided which metaverse platform best meets your needs. It will take some practice to get the hang of creating digital assets or 3D models if you have little prior experience. Of course, just like with anything else, practice makes perfect. Starting can be challenging, but once you start to grasp the various controls and how to use the platform, you'll be an expert in no time. How to monetize your metaverse. Meta has announced that it is testing a way for creators to sell virtual goods and experiences on its Horizon Worlds metaverse platform, as well as a creator bonus program. The moves are a significant step towards laying the groundwork for Meta's metaverse concept, in which creators can be compensated for their work while Meta takes a significant cut. According to the company, creators will be able to sell virtual accessories as part of a fashion world or provide paid access to a new portion of existing worlds. According to Meta, the program will begin with a handful of creators to gather feedback and improve the offering. Purchases are currently restricted to users aged 18 and up in the United States and Canada. Additionally, Meta charges a platform fee of 30% for any sales made using its VR platform, MetaQuest. For additional goods and experiences, Horizon Worlds will tack on a 25% fee. As a result, only 52.5% of the sale price would go to the creators, with Meta keeping the remaining 47.5%. Ironically, Vivek Sharma, vice president of Horizon, is describing the Horizon Worlds fee as competitive, despite Meta criticizing Apple's 30% cut of App Store purchases. As Insider Intelligence principal analyst Deborah Aho Williamson points out, the monetization scheme appears to contradict the spirit of a post from Meta than Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg made last June, in which he stated that, to help more creators make a living on our platforms, we're going to keep paid online events, fan subscriptions, badges, and our upcoming independent news products free for creators until 2023. And when we do introduce a revenue share, it will be less than the 30% taken by Apple and others. According to Payments, the most popular blockchain-based metaverse, Decentraland charges a flat fee of $2.16. This fee is for minting an entire collection of a specific virtual good that can be sold multiple times, plus a 2.5% fee for selling goods on Decentraland's marketplace. There is a bonus round. If creators meet specific engagement metrics, they will receive payments from the bonus program. Creators will only be rewarded for creating worlds that draw the most time spent in their current constrained scope, which provides insight into Meta's current metaverse priorities. Creator objectives will undoubtedly change as the platform does. The $10 million Horizon Creators Fund, which was introduced last October, is expanded upon by the bonus program, which is currently only accessible in the U.S. The launch of the bonus program coincides with a sharp increase in monetization standards and a reduction of up to 70% in payouts for Instagram creators who produce short-form reels, raising concerns about how creator-friendly Meta is as an organization. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave it in the comments section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.